You want to go for an adventure? Are you excited? We're going to the car wash. Let's go.
We're taking Shasta on a car wash, so you guys know, but he doesn't know yet, and I can't wait to see his reaction. Wonder what it's gonna be. So we're at the local car wash right now, and Shasta doesn't know. What's going on, but can't wait to see his reaction because I think it's gonna be very funny or cool or crazy. And I can't wait. Had some fun, but he's tired now because he just played a lot with his friend and he's out of energy. Did you have fun, Shasta? Did you like the car wash? Yeah, you had fun, didn't you? Can you say, make sure to like and subscribe?